All right, ready?
Go ahead.
How you doing, folks? This is episode 1 of George D's Hookah Sesh. All right, we're here with some tobacco. We got the hookah behind us, and we're gonna learn how to make a hookah today. All right, we got a orange. You can use orange or grapefruit. Right around this size, a little bigger is all good. All right, so we're gonna start with the tobacco. It's our secret recipe. All right, everyone knows how to pack it ahead, but you don't know the secret recipe. All right, so let's start with the secret recipe. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna take some watermelon. The watermelon's all we got right now. We got some mint. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it right. All right, so we're gonna take a nice chunk of watermelon. All right, put it on a little a little napkin here. All right, double the napkin. All right, because it's gonna go through. You're gonna put a little mint as well. I would say 25% mint, 75% other flavor. Definitely want some mint in there to just give it some kick, give it a little more juice. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap this up. All right. We're gonna wrap this up all nice. All right. You see how right now nothing is out. All right. All the tobacco is inside the circle. All right. You even want to like tighten it up a little bit. Look at this. All right. We want to get some running water. All right. Run water through it. I would say some cold water is nice. Nice temperature. All right. So what you want to do is look. You're gonna go around and you're gonna start patting it. All right, pat it. You want the goal is to get all the juice out. All right, you want all the juice out because the juice is what's gonna make your head last 15 minutes rather than 45 minutes. All right. So you see right here, all the juice coming out. You're gonna get it wet. You're gonna squeeze it out. Squeeze, right? Get it wet, squeeze it out. You do this a couple times until you notice most of the juice is out. All right. So now. Just about there. You see the red? Obviously, there's gonna be juice no matter what, but we want most of that out. All right, you're gonna need some more paper towels here. All right, so I'm gonna put a paper towel down. We're gonna open this up. All right, and you're gonna notice that it's all flaky. It's all flaky. It's exactly how you want it. All right, nice and flaky, easy to break up, and looks like the juice is out. You see how the color got a little less red. Little less, little bland, but looks great. This is exactly what you want, all right? So you're gonna break it up a little bit. You're gonna leave it there, all right? Let's start with the orange we have here. Where's the knife? Where'd the knife go? I just had a knife. Hold on. Oh, the knife's right here. Get a nice knife, all right? So you wanna start, you're gonna look at the orange, all right? I would see this is the top, right? This is the bottom. So we're gonna start on the top. You're gonna go on a 45-degree angle. And you want to cut, and you want to make a little circle. So you're going around, making a circle. And again, I'm not straight. I'm not too far up. I'm at a 45-degree angle. All right? Cut. You want to cut a nice little circle here. Boom. That's exactly what you want, right here. All right? So that you can eat later. All right? But this is what you need. This is what you need. So after you have this, you want to cut the end. All right? So there's only 2 cuts. It's a 45-degree cut, and then a straight cut at the end. To make the hole to put into the hookah, all right? So we're gonna go like this, we're gonna turn, do exactly what I'm doing, and you're gonna have a good hookah, all right? So you wanna turn it, you're gonna see right now, you got a nice little hole. You can puncture your finger through it if you want. Make sure you get your finger through it. Don't think any dirty thoughts while you do it. And right now, that's what we have. I think this is great. Ideally, you wanna get a little toothpick. Do we have some toothpicks here?
Yeah, I got you.
We got some toothpicks. All right, we're gonna get the toothpicks. So now you have your ready head. You have your ready tobacco. All right. Before we start packing, we're gonna use a toothpick here. We're gonna clog up the hole. All right. So if you see here, you're gonna put it straight through. Bring it through with your nail so you don't get cut. All right. And you want to even put another one here so they don't get through. You can do 1, 2 is great. All right. So boom. That's what it looks like. All right. That's exactly what you want. Now you start with your fresh washed tobacco. And what I do, this is my trick. I put my finger right here, okay? And I go around. All right, and go around because it's gonna take too long. If you just try and get them all, it's gonna get in the middle and it's gonna go crazy and you're gonna try and pick it out. It's gonna be annoying. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your finger in the middle. You're gonna pack this, all right? Pack it. You're gonna go around like this. Keep packing. Don't be afraid to just pack it because you're gonna fix it right after. All right?
You're gonna clean up the floor too?
We'll clean up the floor. We will clean up the floor. This is for video purposes right now. We're being a little messy, but this is the trap house. Not called a trap house for nothing. All right. Anyway, we're here. All right. So you guys see what I got right now. So why don't you come up a little closer right now? So now you see with my finger in the middle. You got the middle, beautiful. You got everything around it. If you want to get technical with it, just start on the sides, getting a little tobacco on the sides here and there. You want to be perfect, but this is gonna make you a nice hookah right here. All right. So we're good. Nothing in the middle. We're happy with it. If there is something in the middle, take the knife, get it out real quick. No big deal. We're perfect. All right. Rest of the tobacco you can throw in there. We're good. We can use that later. All right. Now we're gonna need some. Yep, there it is, my man. All right. Hold on. You know what? Hold on one second. I did have a beer here. Cheers, guys. Cheers. 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 Don't be afraid to take a second and take a little sip, all right? You're making the hookah, you're getting the first hit no matter what. All right, so guys, we're gonna get a little foil action here, all right? So again, foil is it's tricky because you don't want to have too much foil because they go crazy. You don't have too little because it's not gonna stay on. What I like to do is I like to get a little base here, all right? And I just cut off the ends, just the 4 ends, all right? To make it just a little less, I think it works out better. This is your personal opinion, you don't have to do it. I do it, all right? So now that I've cut off some of the ends here, again, I might be cutting off a little too much, but this is good, this is good. If you have a little less than this, it's gonna be too little. So this is perfect. You wanna go straight on like that. Don't be afraid to get firm with it, all right? You see how like that, everything is creased on, all right? You see how this, boom, flap it back. Flap it back and foil you put it together, it gets like that, all right? And now, as you notice, I do this. You got the nice hole. You got a beautiful head. Oh man. And now we need one more last toothpick right here to finish off the job, all right? I make one nice hole in the middle, all right? And then small ones all around. All right, well. Small ones all around. I would start, all on the outside like this. Again, these are your preference. Some people do a little larger. I wouldn't. I would stick with small. I think it's better. Less coal gets in there. All right. That's it. That's really enough. You got a couple here, a couple there. If you want to add a couple extra holes and get fancy, go ahead. No big deal, but just don't do too many. That's it right there. Boom. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a head. Tune in for next week for the episode of Smoking the Head. Thank you.